The ultimate goal is when you're sleeping, the car swaps by itself and comes back by itself. I'm pushing hard to make this happen, but it involves tech, ops, and regulations.
In this video, I'll be explaining how NIO is using AI to become a $1 trillion company. The head of NIO Power, Dr. Shenfei, said the ultimate goal is for the car to swap by itself during night while you're sleeping, and NIO can actually already achieve that with autonomous driving, with the capabilities that NIO has. As you can tell in this video, there's nobody in the car, but the car is swapping by itself. This is something that you cannot do with a Tesla, right? Even if, no matter how good Tesla's FSD gets, you still need somebody to manually plug in the charging, all right? And that just basically means, in terms of autonomous driving, NIO is ahead of Tesla when it comes to getting electricity. But before we talk about further AI use with NIO, how it's game changing, there's something that's going very viral, and this is what you're seeing right now. A NIO owner drove his ES6 17,000 kilometers from China, all right, more specifically Suzhou, all the way to Paris, right, to watch the Olympics. And he documented his whole entire journey on the NIO app here in China, showcasing day by day. It basically took him about a month to drive from China all the way to there. Well, more specifically, like 20 days. And he was able to showcase all his different scenic spots and what he did, etc., which is getting a lot of attention on the NIO app, and also just in general, all right? Seeing a Chinese license plate in Paris is just absolutely unbelievable. And when people look at it, they see a NIO, which is even more incredible. So there's his profile page. He's documenting every single day, day 19, day 20, and this is day 19. And there's the Louvre, and he's documenting everything. Very, very cool. Lots of media attention, and people are noticing this. All right, even people that don't know about NIO, they look, holy crap, there's an electric car from China that drove all the way to Paris. What brand of electric car is this? And of course, it turns out it's a NIO. So very, very cool. And then this over here is the 21st day. So he's documenting everything he's doing. He's also charging there at one of the fast chargers in Europe. Very cool indeed. It helps both the domestic market, Chinese people there might be watching the Olympics and seeing one of their own license plates. So that definitely helps out. And also European buyers. European people will see this car with this bizarre green license plate, and they'll notice that it's a NIO, and maybe they themselves will buy a NIO. But without further ado, let's talk about how NIO is using AI to power its $1 trillion behemoth. So there's several aspects, both from manufacturing. They're using AI extensively in manufacturing. In autonomous driving, they're using AI to sort of imagine what the outlook will be 1 or 2 seconds ahead. There's AI AEB to do emergency stops. There's also like AI suspension, so it knows where the potholes are. These are actually features that are already available. It's already on NIOs. And then there's also like AI Nomi, where it's like you talk about, hey, what's that structure over there? What's that building? And then Nomi will know you're talking about that round building or something, and Nomi will actually tell you. But here we have a good video from NIO themselves.
AI will accelerate advanced autonomous driving large models, enhance multimodal capabilities, improving sensor fusion and perception, enabling precise environmental awareness, efficient path planning for vehicles. Later this year, high computing power with end-to-end helps cars react quickly in dynamic settings, making driving easier for users. 2 key words summarize it: safety plus more safety. Large models and computing power. Double assurance, more data, greater computing power. Key to smart cars' future group intelligence further drives continuous model iteration, enabling cars to interact with the world. Accelerating advanced intelligent driving AI can now identify users via facial and voice recognition. Future AI will sense emotions and needs through facial expressions, providing personalized music, lighting, and suggestions when drivers are tired. AI improves services, interaction, and complex task processing, making car-human communication more natural and user-friendly. Smartphones are a crucial AI entry point. AI phones currently handle specific scenarios, like photo, text, and audio processing. Future AI will integrate these separate functions, acting as an intelligent assistant understanding user needs, a new era of mechanical advancement. In smart manufacturing, AI acts as a strategist, optimizing production and quality management. AI monitors equipment for smart maintenance. Large models make robots more than just arms. Robots gain flexible intelligence, performing complex tasks more adaptively. AI enables quick responses to market changes, opening new opportunities and value-added services. AI and data have a two-way relationship. AI covers all aspects of energy-related fields. For example, in smart cars, AI improves energy efficiency and range based on driving conditions and behavior. Additionally, computing power and energy can build a powerful product considering vehicle energy storage status, user needs, and available features to achieve optimal energy strategy crucial for power system operations.
So NIO is using AI extensively in all aspects of the company. But not only that, their whole entire software is going to be licensed out in the future. All right. NIO CEO said that first they're going to make sure that their suppliers and partners have access to NIO software first, and then of course make sure that all their cars have it, but then suppliers, partners, and then to the entire market, and then they'll be able to use NIO's software and also NIO's chip, battery swap. So in essence, in the future, NIO doesn't even have to build cars. NIO is trying to become like Huawei in a sense. Like Huawei, they don't really build their own cars. They partner up with these other automakers and build cars together using Huawei's technology. And NIO is trying to become just like that, but one up them, make it even better. All right, SkyOS beating Harmony OS, NIO's own chip. Huawei doesn't even have their own autonomous driving chip. So, NIO is actually one-upping Huawei. So if you look at it from a long-term perspective, NIO is doing some incredible things, never before done by any other company out there. And we just have to be patient and let NIO do its thing. As always, stay safe, stay healthy. Peace out.